Okay, so all of you understand about this? That is the traffic engineering. Traffic engineering, what is the basic aim of traffic engineering? To achieve the safe and convenient movement on the roads. And for that purpose, we have to focus while planning, designing the road. At that time, we have to focus for the different component of the road and which are related to the traffic. As a sign signal should be there, road marking should be there, traffic light should be provided on the road, there should be a sidewalk, there should be a crosswalk also, there should be a small width road is provided for the pedestrian which are passing from the roads, again for the cyclist. So we have to provide, or we have to take this all the traffic which is mixed traffic, we have to take into account. According to that, we'll plan the geometric design of the roads. Next, you can see here, there is a component of the traffic engineering. Mainly component of the traffic engineering is divided into the 4 parts. There is a one part, first one is the very basic point is over here. The traffic engineering is mostly deals with the road users. Okay, mostly deals with the road users, means drivers will be come over there. Again, second thing is that pedestrians. Again, next one is the bicyclist, again passengers. So road users and the drivers, pedestrians and bicyclists and the passengers, these are the most important component from this traffic engineering, because the driver should know all the rules and regulation. Okay, he should know the what are the rules and the regulation for using the roads. After that, how to use the vehicle. Again, how to that driver should be having the all the qualities. Okay, whatever the requirement about the licensing, requirement about the driver, that all should be fulfilled, and then only he should drive on the road. So that part is a very most important part here, that is the road users characteristics. That the road user is a one of the driver, then he should know the all the details about the rules regulations. Again, he should know, he should have that licensing, and before the licensing, whatever the step by step, that all should be completed by him. And second part is the related to the vehicle, that a vehicle which having the dimensions, what is its width, what is that dimension, or what is the height of that vehicle, and there are the some static and the dynamic properties of the vehicle, that should be know about it. So that is the second component about the traffic engineering. Third one is the road and the highways. So road, how the road construction is there, and the highways, and based on this traffic, how to go for the redesigning of the roads. That part will become here, how to minimize the accident, how to minimize the conflict on the road, that part will become under this in the third point. And last one is the for controlling the vehicles on the roads, there are the some of the different controlling devices are there, these such as the traffic signs, again road markings, traffic signals, and the parking controls. And for that purposes, signs are provided on the roads, road markings are also provided on the roads, again signals are there, some of the parking areas is divided, parking area is provided. So these are this is the component number 4, which will be come under this traffic engineering. So we have to move towards the these 4 components of the traffic engineering and control. One is related to the road user characteristics, means road users, they should know all the details about the roads, what are the rules and regulations. And third one is the about the, like, he should know the, like, he should have the license, and all the road next we should know. That is the component number 1. Third, second one is the vehicle, that vehicle should be in a good position, and whatever the static and the dynamic characteristics of the vehicle, that should know the that should be the second part of this traffic engineering. Third one is the roads and the highways, and last one is the traffic controlling devices. These are the most important parameter over here about the controlling the traffic on the roads. Okay, so these are the this vehicle or the traffic will be controlled on the road by using these traffic signs, road markings are there, traffic signals are there, and the parkings also. Okay, so these components we have to learn here. in this traffic engineering and control. So first we'll move towards what are the objectives of this traffic engineering. So objectives of this traffic engineering are to achieve the smooth, easy flow of traffic at the intersections. You should know the road connection is there. If road connection is there, there are the different intersections. Okay, crossing over there, intersections are there. So we have to be achieve the safe and easy movement, easy flow of traffic on the intersections, and that we can achieve by providing the different controlling signals signs by the using the functions of the traffic engineering. So for that purpose, whatever the objective, first objective is achieved here, that is to achieve the smooth and the easy flow of traffic at the intersection. Easy flow of traffic at the intersection, that is the first objective about this traffic engineering. Second one is to develop the methods for improvement in general and solving the specific problems in particular. In the particular means to develop methods for improvements in general and solving the specific problems in particular. Means for traffic engineering, we have to be go for the that improvement should be over there along the road, where we have to go for the different methods of improvement of the roads. Okay, sometimes traffic is over there and the traffic is more, so at that time we can go for the counting, we can go for the volume, counting the volume of the vehicles coming on that road at peak hours, and based on this we can make the solution like that that road should be getting increased, which have to be increase the width of that road, or we have to provide the alternate road for the traffic, so that the such a development will be over there after the studying the traffic on the road only. To have safe, convenient, comfort, rapid and economic transport of goods and the persons. So from this objective, it is clear that we have to achieve the safe, convenient, comfort, rapid and economic transport of goods and the persons. Means from this traffic engineering we have to achieve the safe, convenient, comfort, rapid and the economic transport of goods and the persons. Means from the roads we have to move from one place to the another with a convenient with a convenient, with a safely, with a comfort zone, and with a rapid. So that required time for the movement from one place to the another place, that will be less. Comfort should be over there while traveling. Again, convenient. That road should be convenient, and that journey also safe. Yeah, so for that purposes, achieving the easy movement of the road, you have to be consider the all these points about this safety, convenient, comfort, rapid, economic transport of the goods and the persons. Next one is to improve the speeds of vehicles. So okay, to improve the speeds of the vehicles. So how to achieve this point? This point we can achieve by the geometric design of road, by whatever the maintenance of the roads, whatever the controlling devices on the roads. If the one-way routes are there, two-way routes are there, so at that time if we provide such a one-way routes, then automatically there will be a speed of the vehicles will be goes or increases. Okay, that part will become here, that conflict of interest are less. Sometimes if there is a road design or whatever the highway design is there, that is good, traffic on the road is minimize traffic on the road or conflict of the road which was minimized on the road by using the signals and the signs, so automatically the speed of the vehicle will be increases. Next one is to increase the traffic capacity of road. So how to increase this traffic capacity of road? So for that purpose, we have to provide the width of the road, which is whatever the capacity. According to that, we have to plan for the geometric design of the road only. To make the stress that to make the street safe for movement, both pedestrians and the vehicles. So according to planning for the transportation highway, so at that time we have to take care about the pedestrians and the vehicles which are moving apart from the main road. So these are the objective to make the streets safe for the movement, both for the pedestrians and the vehicles. After that, to reduce the delays in the road journey. Okay, most of the times we provide the one-way road. So at that time, what will be happen? Well, because of this one-way road, there is a whatever the time required for the journey that will be going to be very reduces. Okay, so for that purpose, we have to reduce our time. If the highway constructions are like a concrete constructions are there, now that new roads are there, maintenance of the road have been done. They also at that time, whatever the journey is there, it will be required the less time to move from one place to the another place. So that is the to reduce the delay in the journey from the origin towards the destination point. Eighth one is the to reduce the chance for road accidents to a minimum. So means that is also most important part here about this traffic engineering. So main objective of this traffic engineering is only to reduce the conflict and the accidents which are occurring on the road. And for that purpose, we have to reduce the chances of the accidents. And for that required traffic signals, again signs, markings, again parkings are there, that all part we have to provide over here. And next one is the to remove the traffic congestion, etc. To remove the traffic congestion means whatever the conflict on the road, whatever the mixed vehicles are, that should be separated. So at that time we can remove the traffic congestion, and based on this reducing the congestion, also reducing the conflict on the road, we can go for the reducing the accidents which will be occur on the road. And these all are the main traffic engineering objectives about to learn the traffic engineering and control. Okay, first one is to achieve smooth and easy flow of traffic at intersections. Second one is to develop the methods for improvement in general and solving the specific problems in particular. Safe, convenient, comfort, rapid, and the economic transport of goods and the persons. Next one is we have to improve the speed of the vehicle. After that, we have to increase the traffic capacity of the roads. After that, we have to provide the safe movement for the pedestrians and the vehicles. We have to reduce delay in the journey, and will reduce the whatever the accidents which will be occur on the road. And last one is whatever the conflicts on the road, whatever the conjunction on the road, that also we have to reduce. So these all are the objectives about the traffic engineering. Okay, so now we'll move towards the next point, that is the scope of traffic engineering. So what is the scope of traffic engineering? That part we'll see here. So first one is the basic objectives of traffic engineering. Basic object of the traffic is achieve the efficient, free, and the rapid flow of traffic with the least number of traffic accidents. So what is the first point? What is the first point is over here? So that is to achieve the less accidents which are on the road. So that is the first objective at the basic objective of traffic is to achieve the efficient, free, and the rapid flow, means whatever the vehicles on the road. For that vehicles we have to provide the speed, and the second thing is that, and whatever the whatever the vehicles on the road, and for that roads whatever the conflict that will be produces that we have to be reduced over here. So that is the second, that is the scope of the traffic engineering. Second is the surface details, the surface details, side distances requirements. Okay, what is the side distance? So that side distance is a very important parameter over here. So what is the side distance? That side distance is nothing but that distance visible to the driver is nothing but a side distance. Okay, whatever the side distance is there, side distance is nothing but the distance which is visible to the driver is nothing but a side distance. So we should take care about this side distance, and that each and every driver should have some side distance in front of him. Okay, so that care should be taken because side distance should be over there. So horizontal, if side distance is not there, then automatically some accidents will be occur. And so for that purpose, side distance should be there in front, in front side. Next is the intersection and the parking facilities are to be suitably designed for better traffic performance. Means on the roads, on the interval, there should be a some of the parking facilities intersection on the intersections. Some of the parking facilities should be designed for a better traffic performance. Okay, that is also most important point. Sometimes what will happen, parkings are not provided, then some of the vehicles are stopping on the road only, and so that purpose, because of this, what will happen, that the vehicles are stopping on the both sides of the roads, and so that whatever the road width that will be going to be reduced, which will be helpful to move on, move the vehicles on the road. And so for that purpose we have to take care about the parking, and so that if we provide the parking, then automatically that vehicles will be stopped into the particle in the parking only, in the parking facility. So that we have to go for this parking facilities suitably designed for the better performance of the traffic. After that, there is a next point is the traffic. The study of traffic engineering is divided into the six major phases. Which are these six major phases now that we see here? First one is the traffic characteristics. Second one is the traffic studies and the analysis. The third one is the traffic operation control and the regulation. Next one is the planning and analysis. Next one is the geometric design. And last one is the administration and the management. So you can see here, these are the six major points about the traffic engineering and control. So you can see the first point is the traffic characteristics. So what is the traffic characteristics? The traffic characteristics is divided into again different parts. There is a road users characteristics, again vehicle characteristics. In that, the traffic characteristics are divided. Okay, so in that part, whatever the road users, drivers are there, they should know that they should have the vision. Again, there is a hearing capacity. That part we see in the next slide only. So traffic characteristics that come under the road users characteristics, and the second one is the vehicle characteristics. Next one is the traffic studies and the analysis. Means we should know how the traffic is there, in which road that traffic conjunction is more, traffic jam will be over there. So that all parameters we should know that, and that will be come under the analysis only. So we count the vehicles which are coming on the roads, entering and exit the road or exit the vehicles from the road, and according to that we can make the judgment like this. To that road is a conflict of on this road is more as compared to this road. So likewise we can make the analysis, and according to that we can go for the construction of the roads or the elimination of new ideas about the roads, to how to increase the width and how to reduce the traffic, how to reduce the whatever the conflict or whatever the accidents coming on the roads, and that will be come under the traffic studies. And after that there is a analysis part will be come over here. Next one is the traffic operation control and the regulations. So there are the diverging, again merging is there, crossing is there. So these are the traffic operations where sometimes we have to merge. There are the two roads are merged at a single point. Sometimes two single road is merged in divided into two roads. So these are sometimes crossing will be there. So that are the operations on the road, and we have to go for the regulations. Means each and every road, whatever the vehicles are coming on the road, they should be controlled by the regulations, rules, and the regulations. And for that purpose, we have to apply some controlling devices, some markings on the road. Okay, some of the markings, some of the signs and the signals we have to provide on the roads, and by using this we can operate, we can make the traffic control on the roads only. Next one is the planning and the analysis. Next one is the geometric design and the administrative and the management. Okay, planning and the analysis. For the traffic studies and the analysis, in that case we will understand about the parking, about the related to the vehicles which are on the roads, on the roads, and where the traffic congestion is more, where the accidents are occur that are the more, that all parts will understand from the traffic studies. And after that whatever the information we have, from that information we can make a planning for the new routes, and as well as for the analysis also we can made by using this traffic studies, and based on this we can make the new geometric design of the roads. And after that, there is a last point, that is administration and the management. This is also required. For what purposes? There should be, if the accidents are occur, and for their solving the issues about these accidents, we should know, we should require the administrative and the management also, for the licensing purposes also, for the vehicles, numbering of the vehicles. Okay, so for that purposes also we require the administration and the management. So that is the scope of the traffic engineering. Okay, why it required the traffic engineering? First one is the, there is a efficient and the free and the rapid flow on the road that we have to achieve, and for that purposes we require the traffic. We require this traffic engineering. Second point is the, whatever the intersections are there, we have to provide the traffic on the roads. We have to provide the parkings on the roads at some intervals, because vehicles should stop for the some time, and at that time if the some of the vehicles are standing on the road only, that will be become a serious for the traveling on the road. After that, that will be helpful is divided, that will be helpful to reduce the whatever the conflict on the road. And this traffic engineering is divided into 6 parts. That part also we have completed here. Okay, now within a 1 minute our meeting will be over, so all of you join once again on the same link.